just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. They just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, bitch, I took a gun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. All you dumb. Run to me, I don't know no other me. Run it up, you fuck like 100 niggas just for.
I'm so excited because my hair came out exactly how I wanted it to. So, yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get heatless curls using Flexi rods. Yeah. If you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I done fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Where nobody's been. You ever had fun like this? Whoa. We gon' fuck up the night. That night. This shit's fine. Comfort in my sense, not about me. All I got right now, feeling days of resentment. Some more in my skin, it's all about. Stain on my shirt, new bitch on my nerve. Oh, nigga got curved, going back on my word. Image is thirsty, still don't know my words. Still stressing perfection, let you all in my mental. Got me looking through desperate, damn. Wait, sunshine, I found a way to fuck it up still. Can't cry about the shit that I can change this. My mind gotta get out of here. The fire can't so exotic. I'm a seasoned professional. Squeeze it, don't let it go. Tease it, no self-control. I got time today. I got time all night. I got time today. I can't wait to come out and play. Yeah, you want me clap it, clap it, clap it, clap it, baby. Wanna bust it for you, baby. Kiss it, baby. Rain on that sunshine. feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. And I'm fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Where nobody's been. You ever had fun like this? Whoa. We gon' fuck up the night. That night. This shit's fine. Apologetic when we fuck up the night. That night. We getting fucked up tonight. We gon' let you see fire. Let you see stars. Let you elevate. Let you me touch. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to put something up. We gon' fuck up the night. Dangerous. Been so lost without you all around me. Get anxious. Need me. Don't back it's all about you. In the dark right now. Feel lost but I like it. Comfort in my sense, not about me. All I got right now. Feeling days of resentment. Simmer in my skin, it's all about. Stain on my shirt, new bitch on my nerve. Oh nigga got curved, going back on my word. Image is so thirsty, still don't know my words. Still stressing perfection, let you all in my mental. Got me looking through this, but damn, we got this sunshine. I found a way to fuck it up still. Can't cry about the shit that I can change this. My mind gotta get out again. The fire can't so exotic. I'm a seasoned professional. Squeeze it, don't let it go. Tease it, no self-control. I got time today. I got time all night. I got time today. I can't wait to come out and play. Yeah, you want me pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, baby. Wanna bust it for you, baby. Kiss it, baby. Ain't on that sunshine, boy, I think I need that back. Can't do it like
look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T. Off the leash, I feel like a dog. I get hella free. Keep it P. Never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a baby clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get top in the moment, so I feel like baby king. Bust is black, the boss is, so I dress like baby B. Bitch, I'm cold, pussy ass, so now you know it's giving cream. I got hopes when there's not enough, come build a nigga team.
I need chips, I tell that nigga, I tell that nigga, don't he like a baby, carry that on my hip. I just need a sip, cause shawty got me shook. Got me reservoir, back for it, I give that bitch a list. On my house, give a fuck about my wrist. On my wrist, you can't be touched, that I make that nigga it. I know that I'm rich, but that's my project, bitch. Brother to me, something to my bitch, she gon' switch.
Push a T, push a pound of weed. Need a brand new weed. Kill my dog, pussy nigga, please. I go Keanu Reeves. Get him gone. Why you telling me just let a nigga see? Honestly, I'm not feeling you and you not feeling me. Keep it G. Welcome at the A, just let that nigga be. TLC, no I'm finna creep my phone on D&D. That's my soul. Right that did the beat, I'm right that did the sleep. You ain't Pete, but you know you beat to me. He beat us me.
I need chips, I tell that nigga, I tell that nigga, don't he like a baby, carry that on my hip. I just need a sip, cause shawty got me shook. Got me reservoir, back for it, I give that bitch a list. On my house, give a fuck about my wrist. On my wrist, you can't be touched, that I make that nigga it. I know that I'm rich, but that's my project, bitch. Brother to me, something to my bitch, she gon' switch.
gotta get it too. Slang first, middle, last on the wisdom tooth. Niggas wishing that the pussy was a kissing boo. Taste breakfast, lunch, and gin and juice. And at dinner, just like this at two. And when we French, we fresh, give me too. When I bite that lip, come get me too. You want lipstick, lip gloss, keys too.
If y'all hear background noise, please ignore it because I'm trying to finish this video. So anyways, this is the finished look, y'all. I'm so excited because for one, I've never done this before, ever. Every time I've done a heatless curl tutorial, it's always wand curled and it's always with water. I used mousse this time. I used mousse and water, but it actually came out so freaking cute. I was going for like the Shirley Temple curls And I think I got it, y'all. And they're tight, just like I wanted them to be. So I know that they gonna last a long time. Like, I'm not gonna have to curl my hair for a few days. So yeah, these are the different rods that I used. I used a total of 33, I think. And I don't think you need that many. I just had it, so I was using them. Also, I'm not sure about the size, but I do know that they're all the Annie brand, so you can go based off of that. So yeah, I don't know if you could tell in the video, but I was tired. Like, I think I started this at like 2 in the morning. I started putting the rods in at like 2, and I was so tired, but I did it. And I'm glad I did, because look how bomb it is. And they bouncy. When I thought people used the mousse, I thought it would make the hair like real crunchy, but it didn't. I think it actually adds the hold to it. And I really like it. I really, really like this. I'm gonna try this on some other hair too, just to see how they would look, but I'm gonna save that for another video. So yeah, it's not too much to say about it, y'all. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends so we can be cute together. Cause y'all, I really want y'all to try this. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.